रोशनी रोशनी उम्मीद है तामीर।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. My dears, today we have exercise work of unit number 2, cell to organism. Okay, so my learners, now let's see. Here we have question number 1 of exercise work. Answer the following questions briefly. First one is differentiate between a cell and a tissue, means that what is the difference between cell and a tissue. So, cells are the smallest structural and functional unit of an organism, which is microscopic in nature because my cells are too minute, too small, which can't be seen with the naked eye, so we can observe the cell through microscope. While in contrast, tissues are the distinct types of material consisting of specialized cells and their products. Means whenever cells combine together, so they form tissues. So it's the answer of question number 1, that cells are the smallest structural and functional unit of an organism, which is microscopic in nature. Tissues are the distinct types of material consisting of specialized cells and their products. Question number 2 is list down the similarities between a plant cell and an animal cell. My learners, plant cell and animal cells are structurally very similar because they are both eukaryotic cells, means eukaryotic cells have membrane bonded organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, ribosome, etc. Both the plant and animal cell also contain similar membranes. I am repeating, structurally plant and animal cells are very similar because they are both eukaryotic cell and contains membrane bonded organelles, and both also contain similar membranes. Question number 3, why are mitochondria called the powerhouse of a cell? So mitochondria are one of the cell organelles, and mitochondria are tiny, means small organelles inside cells that are involved in releasing energy from food, in producing energy from food. So this process is known as cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is a process which is involved in releasing energy from food. It is the reason by which mitochondria are often referred to as the powerhouse of the cell. I am repeating, mitochondria are tiny organelles, small organelles inside cells that are involved in releasing energy from food. This process is known as a cellular respiration. It is for this reason referred to as the powerhouse of the cell. Question number 4, what are the functions of the brain and lungs? Function of the brain controls our thoughts, memory and speech, means the way of talking, movement of the arm and legs. The brain also controls the function of many organs within our body. Now, function of the lungs. The lungs' main function is to help oxygen from the air we breathe enter the red blood cell in the blood. The lungs also help the body to get rid of carbon dioxide CO2, to release out carbon dioxide gas when we breathe out. Question number 5 is write down the cellular hierarchy of lion. So my learners, the cellular hierarchy of lion is, look at the picture. Scientific name of lion is Panthera leo. Panthera is a genus and leo is species. It belongs to the family Felidae, means cats family. It belongs to the order Carnivora. Carnivores belongs to the class Mammalia, means mammals. It belongs to the phylum Chordata and kingdom Animalia. My learners, learn all these questions and also write it on your notebook neat and clean. Stay safe, stay blessed, and Khuda Hafiz.